Hey guys, it's Drew, and today I'm here to talk about the Anatol step back mode. And the use for step back mode is to allow us to print on head 1, flash on head 2, come back, print again on head 1, flash on head 2 again, and continue on from there. The reason this is useful is then we can go ahead and get production times that are achieved by 2 people as one person operation. So the way this is achieved is one operator could be unloading the shirt while the first shirt's printing, and then we could be loading the second shirt in the second print. So the way we achieve these production times is the operator gets to see the shirt twice. The first time they see the shirt is during the first print and we were able to take it off. The second time we're seeing it as well as doing the second print and we're able to put the shirt on. This allows us to maximize our production speeds with less people. So just for the information, guys, we're just letting you know that step back is great for those one-person operations, but as a 2-person operation, or by creating 2 white screens, we're able to actually create faster production times. This is our Aries 2 operating system, and our step back feature is a feature of our flash. So to find it, we'll open up our flash head, and it's located right here. If you can't find the step back feature here, please locate your setup menu, the password is 8, and confirm the step back is turned on. If step back's not turned on, this will not be available. So the first step to setting up step back mode is to open up your head 1 that you're going to print first, set all your features that you'd like, come into head 2, and turn our step back on. By turning this on, I'm telling the machine to finish flashing and come back to head 1 and repeat whatever steps I have set in that head. So in my flash head, I have the ability of setting a primary dry time and a step back dry time. So this way, if it's getting too hot, I could turn it down for the secondary flash. In head 1, I have the ability to set the different number of strokes for my first time and a secondary number of strokes for my step back. So for this setup, I have it set up to do 2 strokes for my first hit. We'll come over to head 2, we'll flash for 5 seconds, we'll come back to head 1, we'll print 1 more stroke, and come back to head 2 to flash for 2 seconds. Then I have none of my other heads turned on. Once this is all set up, I have the ability to tell it that I'm loading shirts, lock my pallets, and I'm ready to start printing. Alright guys, thanks for checking out my informative video on step back mode. Hopefully this gave you the information you needed. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call. Check out our future videos online and follow us on social media at Anatol Equipment.